Wall Street is trading quietly today. Investors are cautious, anticipating new financial aid to the US economy, as well as further developments in the US-China trade relations. The US dollar index is set to hit new multi-year lows for a variety of reasons. The US currency has been developing a stellar rally for a few years in a row that was disrupted by the coronavirus pandemic, which caused havoc to the US economy. At present, the US dollar has been wound down by low yields of US Treasuries and dismal macroeconomic metrics. Its index tumbled to the lowest level in 2 years against a basket of its rival currencies. It was trading at near 92.30 in the early New York session. The doom and gloom in the United States economy and politics cements the bearish market sentiment. According to the COT reports, last week traders increased short deals on the US dollar to the greatest extent since May 2011. Judging by the ongoing dynamic of the greenback, more selling is to come. The US dollar seems to be oversold. Obviously, it needs an upward correction, which is expected in the short term. Nevertheless, the overall outlook remains bearish, so market participants are betting against the US dollar. Apart from economic troubles, another reason behind the greenback's weakness is the fierce presidential race. Besides, investors are fretted about higher coronavirus rates in the United States compared to other advanced countries. Recently, American markets are trading without a clear-cut trend. The benchmark stock indexes logged an uptick in the early New York trade. Trading floors are coming to a standstill in August, so trade volumes are sagging. Futures on the Dow Jones edged up 0.16% to trade at 27,902, at nearly the same level when it closed yesterday. The S&P 500 showed a similar minor growth to 3,382.62. As American stock investors lack confidence, the indexes are not able to break record highs of February, so in the nearest days they are likely to make a correctional decline to the levels of July and June. The Canadian dollar is making higher highs against its American peer. The loonie is benefiting from the broad-based weakness of the US dollar. Experts foresee a further downtrend of the USDCAD pair as 1.3170 is broken successfully. Sellers aim to lower levels of 1.3126 and 1.3117. If the US dollar is able to rebound and fix above 1.3230, the currency pair could climb as high as 1.33. Bitcoin surprises with an intraday 4% spike. The number one cryptocurrency jumped above the level of $12,400. The open interest expanded by 44%. That signals robust buying activity. Earlier, Bitcoin used to touch levels above 12,000 briefly, but failed to stay there for long. In terms of technical analysis, the most popular digital currency is being in the overbought zone. That does not rule out a downward correction. At the same time, Bitcoin maintains a strong bullish momentum, so the odds are that the price will be able to soar as high as $13,500 per token. In the meantime, the petroleum market is trading steadily despite a minor dip in oil prices today. Brent buyers are defending the level of $44 a barrel. WTI is still trading above the level of $42. That's all for today. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast on latest events with us. See you tomorrow.